Hey, it's Fred. Happy Halloween. Well, as you can see, I'm a pirate because my mom, she told me that she went to the store and she, didn't steal or anything because that's bad, obviously. But she's just temporarily buying this pirate costume. It's really cool. It even came with a ring. It's like a bandana and eye patch and everything. It's really cool. But we have to give it back to the store tomorrow or something. She said that we're borrowing it because only bad people steal. So yeah, now that I'm getting pretty old, I'm not 5 anymore or anything, I gotta go trick-or-treating. But my mom can't come with me trick-or-treating because she's busy and stuff, obviously. So yeah, I'm just gonna go trick-or-treating by myself. My mom just told me to watch out for the old men that tell me to walk into their house. Those are bad people. So yeah, I'm gonna go trick-or-treating. Okay, well, I'm at my first house. I'm ready to get candy. Ew, they didn't even carve their pumpkins. That one's all deformed looking. Okay, well, I have to ring the doorbell. Trick-or-treat. I want a treat.
Whatever. Here, just take this.
Ew. Ew, they gave me a little ball thing. Sick. Some rude teenagers knocked over their pumpkin. God, I hate those immature kids. Can't even take anyone seriously. You know what? This is just a message out to all you kids. Our parents are good people and you weren't supposed to ruin their pumpkins. It's very rude. Very rude. I mean, that's just sick. That disgusts me. Disgusts me. Okay, well, I'm at the second house now.
Hello?
Trick or treat.
Oh, kid, you can just come into my house. I'll get the candy. We're just going to my bedroom on the right, okay?
These are the people my mommy told me about. Okay, let's run. Run. Okay, well, I had to come back to our house because this guy was trying to, make me go into his house. My mom told me to run back to our house when a guy did that, so I have to come back. I can't even go trick-or-treating on Halloween. But that one person did give me that cool ball thing. I mean, it was really fun to play with. But then Sparky ate it. Frickin' stupid dog. That dog's really been getting on my nerves lately. He ate my frickin' ball. Frick. That gets me angry. Very angry. Fred is angry. Fred's very angry. When I get angry, I do things that I regret later. The preschool counselor told me to take my anger out on dolls whenever I'm mad, instead of people. Fred's all better now. Okay, well, I think my mom's gonna be getting home soon. For Halloween this year, she was Madonna. You should have seen her outfit. I mean, it showed a lot of skin. It was kind of weird to look at her. She was, showing a lot of skin. It was kind of gross. She's my mom. Ew. But she told me her boyfriend would like it, so whatever. Ew, Dora doesn't have a shirt on. That's just nasty. Dora didn't even have a shirt on. Cooties. Well, since it's 11:30, I'm gonna go spend the next 30 minutes of Halloween running around our streets looking for little kids to scare with my eye patch. Because I'll tell them there's no eye under it, and then they'll get scared. Okay, well, all you kids out there have a good Halloween. Bye. Peace. I learned that on MySpace, because people always say peace on MySpace, so I'm saying it now too, because I'm cool.